stow just for a little while longer, so there's still a chance for a quick turn or sudden stop. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, it'll be safe for you to stand. You can now use your cell phone if connected to a cellular network. Please be careful to open up the overhead bins of your items when you have shifts around during the flight. Once at the airport, a Western agent will be able to assist you with any baggage or connection needs you may have, and your baggage will take approximately 20 minutes from the time you reach the carousel. We'd like to remind you that smoking is only allowed in designated smoking areas. On behalf of the entire crew today, we should like to thank you for flying WestJet. We know you have a choice out there. We're sure glad you chose us. Have a great stay in the Halifax area, wherever your final destination may take you today. Bienvenue à Halifax, alors Canada désormais. Nous gardons votre voiture empêchée et vos bagages jamais rangés, car il est possible que l'appareil maintenant plus souvent résident. Vous pouvez vous lever en danger pour la conduite de ceinture de sécurité. Et maintenant, utilisez votre téléphone cellulaire qui fait avoir le siège et que le bagage jamais devant ranger. Et faire attention aux grands accomplissements des barrières. Ce danger ou plus est détecté pendant le vol. Un agent de WestJet vous attend à l'intérieur de l'hangar et répondra à vos questions si vous en avez. Vos bagages sont livrés en 25 minutes après votre arrivée au carrousel. Nous aimerons vous rappeler que les lignes désignés seront bon désignés. Au nom de l'équipage, nous souhaitons un agréable séjour dans les gens de Halifax et votre destination finale. Bonne journée à tous.
Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
WestJet. And on my trip from Europe, WestJet is the best airline in all of Canada. Best airline in North America is WestJet. Best airline. I love it. I recommend you, if you want to go on WestJet, go ahead. You won't regret it. Best entertainment, best everything. Yep. See? Well, this is a bridgeway. Like nothing. Just the white walls. No advertising. Really great. Well, I had a really good flight. Yeah, it's extremely good. WestJet gets a 10 out of 10. Very, very, very good airline. Very, very, very good. If you want to go on that airline, go ahead. Jet 737 entered in their fleet in 2013. 700. This one I was on entered in their fleet in 2013. Well, gotta end this travel video. Bye bye. Till next time I travel. My gamer signing off.